In order to ensure that files print correctly, Acrobat has a built-in pre-flight feature that you can use. Under Advanced, Print Production, Pre-flight, and Acrobat 8 Professional, opening up the pre-flight dialog box will actually show us that there are several different pre-flight profiles built in here. Profiles are something you check your file against. Now, we can go through and do things like convert files to PDFX, looking at the bottom of the dialog box. You can also convert files to PDFA and do a quick check. Not only can we do conversions, but in Acrobat 8, we can also go through and do what are called fix-ups or corrections. Now, suppose we have a profile that I'd like to run here in a PDFX. I'd like to convert this file to a PDFX file, choosing one of my profiles. But before we do that, I want to edit it and just show you some different things. By choosing Edit, I can see on the left-hand side here all my different profiles, and they're all categorized now according to standards in the industry and uses. Looking down here, I can see that on Fix-Ups, on the left-hand side, these are all the different fix-ups or corrections that are going to be permanently done to the file when this pre-flight is done. On the right-hand side are all the available fix-ups. Now, some things to pay attention to here. We can see that my colors are going to be converted to CMYK, so if there are any RGB images out there, these are things that you would probably do normally in the original files. If there's anything like a hairline, it's going to try and fix that. Reduce file size, different things. Removing embedded PostScript, etc. Now, these pre-flight profiles can be edited. You can import them, you can export them. Now what you can also do is password protect them as well. So once we have our pre-flight profile set up, I'll click OK here. I'm going to run the actual conversion. Now, a big difference here in 8 is it's going to permanently fix some of these features or correct some things. If you don't want it to do that, you can run it without applying the fix-ups. Now, we're telling it to convert it to a PDFX 1A file. By clicking Execute, it's going to tell me, pay attention to this, it's going to permanently change the file. Clicking OK will convert the file. It's running it, checking it against the pre-flight profile right now, checking to see if there are any errors, and seeing if it will actually convert. Now, looking at the results in the pre-flight profile dialog box here, I can actually see that it's converted it to a PDFX 1A file. It's actually made it compatible with Acrobat 4 and later, flattened transparency. And if I take a look down here, it's actually converted all of my images. If there are any RGB in, this cover image was an RGB image, converted it to CMYK. So allowing us to pre-flight a file, basically making it so that you can correct issues that might compromise print quality without having to create a brand new PDF. Not only can we actually check it against a pre-flight profile, but if I look under the options here as well, we can create what are called droplets. Droplets allow you to go through and automate the process. So you can create a droplet which would literally allow you to set this on your desktop, drop some files or drop a file on the droplet, and it would run the pre-flight profile against it. So we've got a lot of different things out here. We also have the ability to view a report with one of these files. And if we create a report, the reports have been greatly improved. So pre-flighting a file, like I said, allows you to correct issues that might compromise your print quality without having to create a brand new PDF.